Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter about phone section, then go to the software information. Here you have to find the line build number and tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message developer mode has been enabled. And now you can find developer options here at the bottom of your settings list. Here they are, all of your very interesting and useful developer options. Get access to them and get to know with them by yourself. You can also disable developer options here, and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.